Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Capcut on your laptop. Since Capcut is officially banned in India, downloading it isn't as straightforward as usual. But don't worry, I'll guide you through alternative methods so you can start editing your videos on a bigger screen. Let's dive in. Firstly, open up your browser. And search for Capcut Download for your operating systems. Scroll down and visit the official website of Capcut. As you can see, browser tells that page is not found just because, in India Capcut banned. So we will try another method to download it. If you have Tor browser, then open it and search for the Capcut download. If you don't have Tor browser installed in your system, kindly download it or use any VPN to access the official website of Capcut. Now I'm on the official website of Capcut. As you can see, mine IP address are diverted from mine original one. You can see the Tor circuit. Let's click on download button and a Capcut installer.dmg file will be installed in your computer. Here you can see mine Capcut is downloaded in mine system. Let's open it. Now the installation process starts. It will take around 5 minutes, depends on your internet speed and PC configuration. Wait till it gets started. Once the Capcut is installed, open it, select the new project and start editing your videos. Here you can see the interface of Capcut, very simple interface it have. Once I click on Filter, Effects, Transition, we will get network error. So be with me, I will tell you how to fix it. Till you can see how smoothly Capcut is running in mine PC. I'm going to edit a very simple and short video just for demo purpose to check out how's the Capcut is working. Now I will fix the network error in Capcut. Simple, download any VPN and configure the VPN with your network. In mine case, I will download a free VPN, which is actually not free, it's paid from App Store. You can download any VPN. Once it get downloaded, configure the VPN. Without VPN, you can see Capcut still shows network error. So firstly, let's configure the VPN, then reopen the Capcut application. Now you can see mine VPN get configured successfully. Now open the Capcut app again, and you can see every element start working properly and perfectly. So many options are there, you can try or use it free of costs. Let's render a clip which we have edited before. Let's check it's working perfectly or not. In mine case it have taken only 20 seconds to render the video because the size of the video is short. Let's check and open the rendered video. As you can see, it's running perfectly. Now after configuring the VPN, the website page will also start running and no need to use Tor browser. Let's refresh the page and you can see the website start running in Safari browser. You can also download Capcut from here also. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.